In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run a newsletter on Kit. We'll walk through the full process of creating and sending a newsletter broadcast, step by step, so you can follow along on your own screen. By the end, you'll know exactly how to draft your content, choose who gets it, and either send it right away or schedule it for later. Once you're logged into your Kit account, start by going to the main navigation and looking for the section labeled Send. This is where all of your outgoing messages live. Inside Send, click on Broadcasts. Think of broadcasts as one-time emails you send to a group of subscribers, like your weekly or monthly newsletter. On the broadcast page, you'll see a button that says New Broadcast. Click that to create a fresh newsletter. This opens up the setup flow for your email. Next, you'll be asked to select a template. Templates give your newsletter a consistent look and feel, and they save you time so you're not designing from scratch every single time. Choose the template that best fits your style or the type of content you're sending. Once you've selected it, you can start typing your newsletter content directly into the editor. Add your subject line, your main body copy, links, and any images you want to include. As you write, try to keep your paragraphs short and scannable, and make sure your main call to action is easy to find. When you're happy with how everything looks, go to the bottom right corner and click Continue. This will bring you to the sending options. Here, you'll see a section labeled Who are you sending this to? By default, Kit will usually set this to all subscribers, which means everyone on your list will receive the newsletter. If you want to narrow it down, you can adjust this to send only to specific segments, tags, or groups you've created in your account. This is helpful if you run multiple newsletters or want to target certain readers. Once your audience is set, you'll choose when the newsletter goes out. If you want it to send right away, select Send Email. If you'd rather schedule it for later, click the pencil icon next to the sending option. From there, you can choose the exact date and time that works best for your audience's time zone. After you've confirmed your content, your audience, and your timing, you're ready for the final step. Click Send Broadcast to finish. Kit will either deliver your newsletter immediately or queue it up for the scheduled time you selected.